Hello. Have you ordered your meal yet?
I figured I'd invite you to take a look at the menu first. I am a gentleman.
I've pre-planned what I would eat. I always order the same thing while at these engagements. Never in the mood for too many surprises. I like to know that I'll be getting exactly what I ordered. You should try it. Makes the evening more seamless, less chaotic.
Well, I think I'll have the sirloin. Very well done.
Thank you for informing me on all the specifics of your meal preference.
Good evening. This is our Kung Fu Riesling. I hope you enjoy it. Could I get you started with ordering some appetizers?
Actually, I'm ready to order my entree now. I won't be here for long. Is that okay?
Of course. And for you, sir.
Sounds good to me, and could I get a glass of water, and I'll allow the lady to order first.
Could I get you a glass of water as well?
Yes, thank you. And I'll be having the blackened salmon with an apple pecan salad. No need for any dressing either, unless you can bring it on the side and unopened. Thank you.
I'll be having the sirloin, very well done. Vanessa, perhaps we should share an appetizer to get us started. How does the charcuterie board sound?
It's fantastic. I'll have that out for you both in a moment.
Forgive me, but I don't share food on business ventures, at least not on the same plate. I'd like to keep this meeting short and productive. Now, you know the item that I came for, and I'd rather skip all the theatrics if I'm being frank.
The least I could do is order a decadent appetizer for my stunning guest. It would show me a great deal of friendship if you would share it with me. You have not even taken a sip of the wine I ordered you yet.
Well, Clark, I do indeed have manners, although it may not seem like it. It would be inconsiderate of me to drink the wine you purchased until you took a sip of it for yourself.
Of course, I should never assume that a smart and beautiful lady such as yourself would ever eat or drink anything without an invitation.
I hear the food here is impeccable. This is my first time here.
Yes, indeed it is. I have eaten the same sirloin for the past 10 years. I'm beginning to believe it makes me look younger.
Tonight, our charcuterie board consists of peppered salami, prosciutto, sweet sopressata, Havarti, provolone, and mozzarella, as well as dried apricots and almonds. Please enjoy.
Would you like to help yourself before I help myself?
Yes, I might as well. Thank you for ordering this. It's quite delicious. I imagine you have frequent meetings here, because you do look extremely young for your age. You must eat a lot of sirloin. They say red meat is the new anti-aging cream. I personally prefer fish. It's cleaner and Makes me feel like I'm more observant and have a sharper mind than most people who eat meat.
Well, it is true I eat here quite often, but I don't quite agree that eating meat bloodies my mind. Yet it provides me with a hunger, a sort of thirst for things that are savory and filling. Almost like when you put the last piece of the puzzle in. Speaking of, Simon should be here soon with our meals. I hope the kitchen is not too behind.
I am growing rather hungry. I hope this salmon meets my satisfaction. Although I would be able to avoid all this hunger if you would be a doll and hand over the item that I came for. Speaking of, I couldn't help but notice you knew the waiter's name. Simon, was it? He never introduced himself to our table.
As I've said before, I've eaten here plenty. Now, I'm sure Simon will be here soon with our meals, and you can be on your way. Surprisingly, when they first opened, they only served chicken with a side of greens, but as time goes on, their menu continues to grow and their food only gets better. I do quite like the atmosphere here as well. It is quite comfortable. I've been holding meetings here for years, and the sirloin has never disappointed. I was growing tired of chicken as time went on.
I do despise the taste of chicken. It's far too bland for me.
That does not surprise me. Ah, here's Simon with our meals.
Oh, looks amazing, Simon. Thank you.
How does the salmon do for your taste?
It's quite good. The seasoning is bitter, however. I'll have to switch between this and my salad to keep the palate engaged. You know, I'm glad we're becoming acquainted, Clark. I do somewhat trust you. I'm sure you understand how serious our position is in our line of work, and it's rare that you find someone you actually enjoy doing business with. But Clark, I really should be going soon, so if you could just hand over the item that I came for. I can't see. Clark? Clark, I can't see you. How? What did you do?
Funny. When I was younger, I always told my mother that I would rather eat a rat than take one bite of fish.
You set me up. I trusted you.
I'm sorry, Vanessa. Come on, Simon, we need to get her to the director.